Welcome back. Here's the Igneous Rocks. Now, Igneous Rocks, they went through so much heat and pressure, they actually turned to liquid. These rocks came from inside of the earth, and they bubble up on the surface like magma and lava everywhere. Now, there's some interesting things about these rocks. These rocks, we have ones that are called extrusive igneous rock and intrusive igneous rock. Extrusive, outside of the earth. Intrusive, inside of the earth. Extrusive igneous rocks are rocks that exploded out of the volcano. You see them as lava going everywhere, and they cool down on the surface of the earth. Those are extrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks, they bubbled up like magma, but they stayed inside of the earth. Intrusive igneous rock, they stayed inside of the earth, and they cooled down very, very slowly. Now, because of that, you get some very interesting results. The extrusive igneous rocks, they tend to have lots of bubbles in them. This is basalt. Do you see all those little teeny bubbles everywhere? This one is an extrusive igneous rock. And I have other extrusive igneous rocks too. Oh, I have some pumice right here. Do you see all those little holes, all those little bubbles everywhere? I have some scoria. Again, it has little teeny bubbles absolutely everywhere. Now, the intrusive igneous rocks, the ones that froze and cooled down inside of the earth, they look like this. This is granite. Do you see all those little teeny crystals? We know it's different from a metamorphic rock because we don't see all those little stripes and those lines like we saw in the metamorphic rocks. But we do see all these teeny tiny little teeny baby crystals. And this one would have cooled down underneath the earth, and eventually we dig it up. Granite right here, we use this a lot of times when we build buildings. This is also used for making sculptures. This rock is very good for building because it's very, very strong. Now there's another type of rock. This one. Do you see the obsidian? This is actually a glass. Now this one would have cooled down very, very fast. So this one exploded out of the volcano, and it freezes in the air. That's how it makes this glassy texture right here. This is obsidian. Now, there are some fun things about these rocks too, because some of these rocks are heavy and some of them are pretty light. So I have something fun for you to see. You see my epic cup of water right here? Here I have my pumice rock. Are you ready? Pumice. Do you see what it's doing? My rock can float on water. Isn't that crazy? This is a very special type of rock. When it exploded out of the volcano, it filled itself up with so many bubbles that it can float on water. Isn't that cool? Igneous rock, guys. We'll see you later.